I'm here at the Packaging Innovation Show at the NEC in Birmingham, and I'm with Jeremy Brooke from Robinson Packaging Innovation. Jeremy, how are you finding the show?
Yeah, we've had a good show. It's been busy, and it's always good to catch up with customers past and present, and sort of prospects as well. So we're pleased, actually, very pleased.
Please tell me about some of your products, because some of them are quite unique.
They are. I think the one I'd sort of like to focus on is the one that we did for the home baking sector. It's called a swirl jar. You can see the samples sort of up here. And the brief from the customer was that they were very keen to have a product showing at least 3 of the items in the multi-chambered jars. And I mean, perhaps from looking at it now, it doesn't look like anything particularly special, but technical-wise, it was a real challenge.
It's quite innovative, isn't it? So how did the idea come about then?
Well, I think it was working actually with the customer. They came to us and gave us a brief of what they would like to achieve. We then produced some designs on our SolidWorks system. We then produced 3D models, which we then sort of refined to give them that final result. We then went for a full-blown mould, and it's been out in the market now for about 6 months, I think.
And you also do 3D printing, don't you, as well? How is that coming about?
Well, we've got our second 3D printing machine, so we've had one now for about 4 years, I think, and we've traded up to one that gives a little bit more well-refined sort of models. But for presenting to customers and prospects and their customers, I mean, it's absolutely invaluable, because if you give someone a drawing, some people can interpret it, but if you give them a model, everybody understands what they're going to get, and it's been a really vital tool, actually.
It really has opened doors to the industry, hasn't it, since they came about?
Oh, absolutely, and you've probably seen there are people now who are putting them in their own house, aren't they? But they're not quite as refined as the ones that we've got, but I think it's almost something people expect as a matter of course now. You know, there's a drawing and then they say, well, can we have a model? I mean, we're always working on things, to be honest with you, and I mean, our approach is that we like to research the market sectors that we're targeting, we identify a consumer need normally, and then we go back and present things to our customers which are a bespoke solution. So you won't really find us, I don't think, launching sort of something standard new. There'll always be a bespoke solution to a particular customer's requirements.
Jeremy, thank you very much.
It's a pleasure, thank you.